Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing some cleaning in the master bath. I am trying to get this place organized, and I have to decorate. So I'm going to be staging the space for the market. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. We're moving. So I'm trying to get the house in order, but I do hope you decide to subscribe by the end of this video. If you are new, that'll be so awesome. But yeah, I'm just trying to get this space ready so we can take the pictures. The realtor needs to come out and take photos, and yeah, it's nowhere near ready for that. So I'm gonna just go through all of this stuff, see what I'm gonna be keeping, and then put everything back. I have these organizers from Dollar Tree inside of this cabinet. I already put some stuff back, but yeah, I still need to go through the rest of these items and just fix it. The other side is my husband's side. I'm not gonna mess with that. I'll let him decide on what he's gonna keep and what needs to go, and just organize his stuff. And then I have all of my perfumes right here. I need to go through this stuff and see what I'm gonna be keeping. I mean, I don't even wear perfume as often as I would like. I always forget to put it on unless it's like a date night and I definitely want to smell good. But I've had these scents for so many years. This one is my go-to, but I'm getting tired of it. Well, I'm not really getting tired of it because it smells really good, but I just want to try something new, and I definitely don't have time to go to the store and just test out perfume. So I have this right here. This is from Scentbox, and I do have to give them a really big thanks for sponsoring today's video, this portion of today's video. But yeah, this is from Scentbox. It's really affordable. So I've been just like, playing around with this lately because, like I said, I don't have time to just go to the store and test out different scents, which is probably why I haven't updated my perfume collection in so many years. And I did look online for like the top sexy, seductive kind of perfumes, because the only time I really put on perfume is when I'm doing date night. So I definitely want to smell really sexy. And I looked up the top fragrances, and I mean, of course, a lot came up, but the ones I decided to try for my, for this month is Flower Bomb, and this is Armani Code. But I do love both fragrances. The Armani Code smells really good. I'm definitely going to wear that one on my next date night because I'm loving the smell, and I'm just so happy that I came across this site and being able to just test out different perfumes every month. And this bottle is supposed to last you for about a month, and I don't wear perfume every single day, so it's gonna last me for much longer than that. Definitely gonna have to pack this up with me when I go out of town. We're gonna be going house hunting next week, so I'm gonna pack this up because it's nice and small and I don't have to worry about taking like a big bottle or anything. But let me just show you guys what I have here. So this is, I believe this is Beyonce's scent, and then I have this Dolce & Gabbana. This is actually new because I really wanted to try it out, so my husband got it for me. I actually smelled the scent in a magazine. You know how they put the fragrance inside of magazines, and I thought it smelled really good, so I wanted it, and he got it for me as a gift. Then I have this Chanel No. 5. I'm not too crazy about it though. For some reason, I'm not too crazy about the scent. I mean, it doesn't smell bad. It's not the right scent for me. But yeah, I'm not gonna get rid of it or anything. Maybe I should sell it, but I don't know. We'll see. And then I have this Beyonce perfume here, and then I got this here as a gift many years ago. I'm not too crazy about it though, so I'll probably just go ahead and get rid of this one. Then I have this one here. It's called Black. I don't know. I've had it for a really long time. I do think it smells really good. But yeah, then I have just the lotion for the light blue, but I'm just I don't too much care for the lotions. I mean, I think I'm going to keep this one because I could use this as like a perfume because it's so strong. If I don't want to spray this on, I could just go ahead and use this. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just get started with this, and I hope you guys enjoy watching.
Lying awake with the sound of an emptiness you left behind. Trying to sleep, but the silence is haunting this room every night. I can stand to feel this way. My body's screaming out your name. Didn't wanna say goodbye to you, but you're gone. Oh, I wish the sun.
Alright guys, so I am done in here. Organizing inside of the vanity was a fail. I have a ton of products still. I found a lot of products outside, out in the bedroom and in my closet. So I ended up just putting it all in there because I really needed to just stage this space. The realtor was gonna come and take pictures, so I had to, you know, cut the decluttering short and just stage in here. And that's what I did. So I'm just gonna show you, you know, around the space. So I have, you know, my vanity here. It looks really nice. I did paint in here. So yeah, I do need to take the towel from behind the door. I have a hook for like the towels that we use, but I need to take that out. I forgot about that, but yeah, I can do that anytime. And on this side here, I put up the photos from Mixtowel. Really nice spotlight photos, and you just peel and stick. So that's what I wanted for this space. I didn't want to put any holes in the wall, so I just put that there. And then I have my tray that I purchased from Amazon, and I just put a plant up there. And then on this side, it's just, you know, the toilet, nothing special. The toilet and the shower. When it's time to do pictures, I will like take all of the products out of the shower area. But yeah, this is the space. This is the space, guys. It's not a really big master bathroom, but it's decent. And this is a very like old builder's grade kind of vanity. So I did some DIYs to just like update it some. I put some mirrors inside of the doors, and then I did this backsplash here. And I think it looks nice, but I'm not completely satisfied with it. I do want to just get a bathroom makeover, like a real makeover. Tear this out. Tear out the shower, just get something that's, you know, up to date. But for now, it's good enough, you know. It's not like a terrible, it's cute in here, you know, especially with the decor. And the light fixture, you know, that was something I did a long time ago when we first moved in, about what, 9 years ago. And yeah, I do want to eventually get something else, but we're moving, so it's no point in doing all of that. If we come back to this house, then I'm gonna like move forward with getting like renovations done and just, you know, make this bathroom look the way I really want it to look. But for now, it's good enough. But I think I did a really good job staging this bathroom. It's clutter free. I mean, minus inside of the vanity. Let me just show you guys. So yeah, I ended up putting a lot of stuff in here. It's just too much stuff. I need to go through this stuff again, but I'm gonna be packing up soon anyways, so I say, you know what, skip it. I mean, all of the products in there are products that I use. I just have a ton of stuff. Oh, I forgot to put a towel on that rack. I still need to do that. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you would do so. That'd be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.